Okay, let's take a look at this. We have this doesn't do anything meaningful. Now, if you read the directions, it actually gave you pseudocode. You don't, okay. So you need to actually read the directions. It gives you specifically, you need a main function. You need to ask the user for 5 test scores, calculate, then you calculate the average, and then you determine the grade. So it should be set up with 3 functions. You have get def main, get inputs, so S1, that's score 1, equals int input the first score, and you can copy this. And then change them to S1, to S2, to S3, etc. And change to the second score. And then you would pass those to call the calc average. Av equals, and you have to have it equal to something so that it'll store the return value. Calc average. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. And you're, of course, going to have to create the calc average. And to change the variables, I do T1 test 1, T2, T3, T4, T5. And you'd have average equals T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4, put it in parentheses, I'm sorry, plus T5, put it in parentheses, divide it by 5, and then return average, which will then be stored here. Then you print the average, then you'd call determine grade, passing it average. And so you'd have to have determine grade, have score, and then you'd need a series of if statements. If have.
Here are some TV shows. This is us, The Big Bang.
If average score greater than 90, return A. And then you would continue on and finish out that. That's the approach you need to take to the program.